To add YouTube TV to an older Vizio smart TV, you will need to ensure your TV is connected to the internet and that it is running the latest software. Start by pressing the menu button on your remote control and selecting the System or Settings option. Scroll down to the System Update option and select it to check for any available updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Once your TV is up to date, press the V button on your remote control to open the SmartCast app. Select the App Store or the SmartCast App Store option and search for YouTube TV. If you do not see YouTube TV in the App Store, it may not be compatible with your TV model. However, you can still access YouTube TV by using a streaming device such as a Google Chromecast or an Amazon Fire TV. If YouTube TV is available in the App Store, select it and choose the Install or Add to Home option. Wait for the app to download and install. Then select the Open or Launch option to open the YouTube TV app. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account or create a new account if you do not already have one. Once you are signed in, you can start browsing and watching live TV, sports, and news with YouTube TV. To set up YouTube TV on your older Vizio Smart TV, you will also need to link your TV to your YouTube TV account. To do this, go to the YouTube TV website and sign in with your Google account. Click on the Settings option and select the Link a Device option. Enter the code displayed on your TV into the website to link your TV to your YouTube TV account. After linking your TV to your YouTube TV account, you can start watching your favorite channels and shows. You can also customize your channel lineup and add or remove channels as needed. To do this, go to the YouTube TV website and sign in with your Google account. Click on the Live tab and select the Edit Channels option to customize your channel lineup.